Good morning, students. Today we will see how to represent fractions on number line. Okay, already we know how to represent numbers. Okay, on number line. See, if it is a number line, so then we will represent numbers. In the middle, we will represent 0, and after that, on the side, 1, 2, 3 positive numbers are there, and so on will be there. On the left hand side, you will have negative numbers, and so on will be there. This is the representation of integers on the number line. Okay, into equal parts we will divide this number line into equal parts, and we will each and every part we will denote with one number. So these are the number line. So we are taking numbers on this number line. Now how to represent the fractions? Is there any fractions are there on this number line? No. But where we can locate these fractions here? So you have only zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that numbers only you have. But so 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 4 1 by 2 and 5 1 by 2 like that. If you have any fractions like this, mixed fractions or maybe improper fractions like that, any fractions you have, how can you represent that one on the number line? See, suppose if I take 1 by 2, how to represent this one means, so take a number line. Okay, in between the number will be 0, and into equal parts only we have to divide this number line. So first part, second part, third part, and so on numbers will be there, and this side also equal parts na, so and so on will be there. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So in this number line we have to represent 1 by 2. I will denote with these points also. I will denote with some alphabets. See, to represent this O, I will represent with this 0. I will represent with O. Okay, O. 1 will be A, and 2 next number will be B, and the next one will be C. Like that, these points I will give the names like this: O, A, B, C. O suitable to this 0 na, so I will take O here. Okay, center point will be O, and the next one will be A, B, C, like that, and so on. You can take the alphabets like this. Okay, suppose 1 by 2 is there. So 1 by 2, how to locate this one? So from 0 to 1, observe this fraction once again. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. To locate the fraction, what you have to do first means to look at the denominator. What is the number you have in the denominator? 2. So divide 0 to 1 line, this line, 0 to 1 line, this is 0 to A line, into 2 parts. Equally you have to divide this line into 2 parts. Okay. So you have divided, this is a one part, this is a second part. Okay. So what is your number in the numerator? 1. So first part, take the first part as 1 by 2. Represent as 1 by 2. Understood? What you have to do? First, you have to draw the number line and locate the numbers and give names for these numbers like this: 0, your O, this is 0, you represent with O, and numbers 1, 2, 3 like that numbers you have now, you represent that one with A, B, C like this. After that, what you have to do? So you have to look at the given fraction. What is the number you have in the denominator? This is one thing you have to observe. This is not a mixed fraction. So what you have to do? 1 by 2, 2 1 by 3 like that. If you have mixed fractions, what we have to do? We will learn later. But if you have the single fraction, look at the denominator first and divide 0 to 1 line, that is OA, divide OA line into what is the number you have denominator na? That many parts you have to divide, equal parts you have to divide, and after that look at the number you have in the numerator and count the parts. Here I have 1 na, so I have to count one part. So after one part, locate your fraction. Okay. Suppose if you have 3 by 2 you have. Suppose you have 3 by 2. How to locate this one? This is also single fraction only. This is not a mixed fraction. So your number must be between 0 to 1. That is between on the line OA. So what you have to do? Again, so not this one. See. So see, I will take 3 by 5. I will take 3 by 5. So what is the, now what you have to do? First draw the number line and locate your numbers like this. Okay, locate your numbers like this. And now observe the fraction they have given. This is exact fraction only. So your number must be between 0 and 1. That is on the line OA. So what is the number in the denominator? 5 you have. So divide 0 to this 0 to 1 line, that is OA line. Divide this line into equal parts, that is 5 equal parts. So first part, second part, third part, fourth part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. I have divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts I have divided. Okay. 0 to 1 line you have to divide into 5 parts. Next look at the numerator. What is the number you have in the numerator? 3. So count 3 parts. First part, second part, third part. So this is the number. This is the line you have to show as 3 by 5. Understood? Now observe here, this is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5 and next will be 3 by 5. Next will be 4 by 5 and next will be 5 by 5. So that is 5 by 5 will be cancelled. Again you get 1 now. That's it. Understood? Understood? This is 5 by 5. So 5 by 5 means again you get 1 only. Are you getting this one? Yes. This is the way you have to represent the given fractions on the number line. And whatever you are doing here, you have to represent that one also. You have to write the matter also. Understood? Now see. So look at the exercise problem. All of you here 5 by 8. First your problem is here 5 by 8. 4h. In the 4h second problem 5 by 8. What I am going to do here, that I have given in the this matter I have given here. You have to follow this one. So how to draw? First what we are going to do here? Draw a line. So what is that we are going to do? So draw a number line like this. I have drawn this one. Take a point O in the middle. So that means this is our 0 now. I will represent this one with O. Okay. And after that represent 1 as A. So what is my number here? 1. Represent this one 1 as A. Okay. Next you will have the different numbers here. So consequently you will get the different numbers here. But mine, so minus 1. So you said that one. See, we'll take this one as 2 and so on will be there. Not too much I am taking here, but I don't need all these things. See, and so on. So this is the number line. Middle number 0, you have to represent that one with O, and first number you have to represent that one with A. Now what you have to do? Look at the given fraction. What is the denominator of the fraction here? This is the numerator and this is the denominator. What is the denominator here? 8. So now what you have to do? Divide 0 A line. O A line. 0 1 line. Okay, divide 0 A, that is OA line. Divide OA line into 8 equal parts. The number you have in the denominator is 8 now. So you have to divide this OA line into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So equal parts you have to divide. One, 2, 3, 4, I have divided into 8 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts I have divided. OA line I have divided into 8 equal parts. Now look at the numerator. What is the number you have in the numerator? 5. So 5 represent means that many parts you have to take. Count 5 parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part, 5 part. So this is your number 5 by 8. And what will be the other numbers here? So this is 1 by 8. This is 2 by 8. And this is 3 by 8. And this is 4 by 8. Now this is 5 by 8. And now this is 6 by 8. And this is 7 by 8. And this will be 8 by 8. 8 by 8 you can cancel. You will get 1 only. So completes the whole part 1. 0, 1. Understood? From 0 to 1, I have divided the number line into denominator. Number is 8 now. So into 8 parts I have divided. And I have taken 5 parts from the numerator. What is the number in the numerator? That is 5. And I have taken 5 parts. Your fifth part, this is your number. Understood? Fraction, you have to locate this fraction like this. Understood? Good. Now see the next fraction. Here we have mixed fraction, that is 3 by 4. So earlier we have seen the exact fraction. Now we are seeing the mixed fraction. How to represent if we have mixed fractions on the number line. Okay. So what we are going to do, I have given in the steps format. See, draw a line. First what we have to do, we have to draw a line. Like this, draw a number line. And represents, take a point O in the middle. Okay, what you have to do in the middle one, take the point. This is 0 now. Usually on your number line you will get 0. So this one you have to represent with O. So next, divide the line into equal distances. So equal distances we have to divide. So first one, second one, third one, next one will be fourth one, and next one will be, and so on. So after taking numbers like this, give name. So we have to divide the number line into equal parts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 I have divided, and I am giving the name as A, B, C, D, like this. Okay, like this I am taking names. Okay, 1 as A, 2 as B, 3 as C, 4 as D. On the left hand side, okay, on the left hand side also equal parts, -1, -2, and so on will be there. So now what you have to do, so take a point O. So this 0 I am representing with O. This is in the middle only. So now divide the line into equal distances, OA, AB, BC, CD, like that. Okay, up to BC only I have written. So your number is 3 here, right? So I am taking the next number also to show this one. See, on the right hand side of O, denoting 1, 2, 3, like this 1, 2, 3 numbers we are denoting here. So observe the mixed fraction they have given. Here what is the integral part here? 3. 3 by 4. So integral part 3 means after 3 whole parts we have to divide the line. So whatever the number you have now, first you reach that number. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is here. You have the integral part in the given mixed fraction is 3. So you have to reach the 3. After reaching 3, you have to take to the you have to represent 3 by 4. 3 after 3 by 4. After 3, you have to divide this number line into. You have to locate this one in 3 by 4 on this line, 3 to 4 line, that is CD line. Now see, and 3 full parts, take 3 full distances, 1, 2, 3 full distances completed. After 3, CD, this is CD, 3 to 4 line. Divide this line into 4 parts. That means what is the number you have in the denominator? 4. So that's why you have to divide this CD line into 4 parts. Understood? This is also equal parts you have to divide. So I have taken 4 parts here. I have divided CD line into 4 parts. Now look at the numerator. What is the number in the numerator? 3. So locate 3 parts. Take 3 parts from the 4 parts. What is the third part here? 1, 2, 3. This is the third part. So this is among 4 parts. Third part I am taking 3 by 4. This is the exact number you need here. 3 after we are locating 3 by 4. After 3 full distances covering that one. And after that we are locating 3 by 4 here. So this is the 1 by 4. This is a 2 by 4 and this is a 3 by 4 and this is the 4 by 4. 4 will be cancelled. Again you will get here 1. Your completion of 4 parts will be completed like that. Understood? So this will be the 3 by 4. So what is your number here? 3 by 4. So this represents 3 after 3 by 4 now. 3 by 4. This is the representation of the mixed fraction 3 by 4. Understood? Good.